What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today we are unboxing the all new OnePlus Pad Go 2. The embargo for unboxing and first impression lifts today. So we'll talk few things about this device. Mainly it's launching on December 17th. That day we'll be dropping an in-depth review of this device. I mean the OnePlus Pad Go 2. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions or if you want anything specific to be covered, let me know in the comment section below. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Just like previous OnePlus tablets, the box is huge. OnePlus continues with that clean white and red combination we have been seeing before. The unit which I have is 8GB plus 256GB variant in this beautiful lavender drift color. There's also a shadow black variant and that one actually supports 5G, which is the first for the Pad Go series. As soon as we open the box, the tablet is placed right on the top. I'll keep it aside for a moment. Under that we get usual documents, user guide, warranty card, all the basic stuff, and below that we have the included 45 watt charging brick and a USB to Type-C charging cable. Now let's unwrap the OnePlus Pad Go 2, and honestly this lavender drift color looks stunning. It has that soft matte finish with a slight texture, and the best part is that it doesn't pick up fingerprints at all. OnePlus has also changed the camera placement this year. The camera sits on the right top corner and the entire back has a single clean panel without any separate camera island, and it looks modern and premium. On the top we have two speakers and a power button. On the right side there's the volume key and a microphone. At the bottom you get another set of two speakers, a mic, a USB Type-C charging port. The speaker grills are noticeably large this time, giving a strong multimedia feel. Display-wise, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 features 12.1-inch 2.8K display, and the front looks clean with slim bezels on all the sides. You also have a centrally placed front camera on the top for video calls and online meeting. And here's the default home screen, which is the only part of the UI we are allowed to show you right now. It has a simple and neat layout, a weather widget on the left, the time on the right, app icons arranged clearly in the center, and a minimal dock at the bottom. See, currently we cannot walk through the software part or gesture animations yet. That's restricted until the full review embargo lifts. But in terms of display quality, the specs are impressive. You get 2.8K resolution with 284 ppi, 900 nits of high brightness mode, 98% DCI-3 color coverage, Dolby Vision, TUV, Rylan Smart Care 4.0 certification, and 88.5% screen to body ratio. The Pad Go 2 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor built on 4nm architecture. We have a huge battery of 10,050 mAh with 33 watt SuperVOOC charging, and OnePlus claims you can do 15 hours of video playback, 53 hours of music, and 60 days of standby. It also supports wired reverse charging. So guys, that's the unboxing and initial impressions of OnePlus Pad Go 2. The new color, the premium matte finish, the refreshed camera layout, and the large 2.8K display. It all comes together really nicely. And you guys let me know in the comment section below what do you guys want me to cover in the full review once the embargo left. So right now this is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.